Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader on XAU. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like GBP USD, Euro USD, then please check out the forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel as well. So let's get started. So this is the forex chart of gold USD in front of us right now. And before I proceed with the chart, I would like to give a big hug and thanks to all of you for giving so warm response to the cheapest signal service that I have launched yesterday and the workshop also. Thank you so much for giving me such love and support. Okay, so let's see how does it work from tomorrow. And I was so busy. I was receiving so many messages that I could not record the video, so I'm just recording it right now. Okay, so right now gold is trading at 1923. This is the current market price of gold here, and as we all know, the Monday mornings, the first half of Monday is kind of dull always. Okay, and it's a typical Monday morning when we do not have much volatility, much movement in the market. Okay, so the levels on gold chart have not changed at all. Okay. Let me take you to the 15 minutes time frame so that it becomes easier for you to understand. Okay, so this is the 15 minutes time frame right now on gold. Most important resistance or the strongest resistance as of now is 1950. Okay, in case something crazy stuff happens, okay, then we may see gold going up and reaching the level of 1950. If market reverses or if market struggles near the 1950 level, we can take a sell position because 1950 is the strongest resistance for gold right now. Okay, around 1940 also we do have a resistance, but 1950 is the strongest. Okay, then comes 1940. 1940 is the second strongest resistance. So if price goes up and if you see price struggling near 1940 level, if you see price being rejected from above, if you see strong price rejection from above around 1940, 1950, you can take a sell position. Okay, similarly we have got 1895 at the bottom as the strongest support for the market. So in case there is a sharp fall in the market, heavy fall in the market, we may see market taking support around 1895, and if market reverses from 1895, definitely we can take a buy position. But 1918 is also a very crucial level for gold. 1918, this level, why this level is important? Because in case we see some selling in the market and gold breaks the level of 1918, agar gold is a तोड़ता है 1918 को, okay, then there can be a heavy selling in the market as well. So if you see gold breaking the level of 1918 and going down, we can take a sell position as well. Okay, but if you see market taking support and bouncing from here, you can take a buy position, but do not use heavy position or do not take heavy position because see market has constantly forming higher lows in the market, no, lower highs in the market. I'm always confused with higher lows. Okay, it means that market is unable to cross the previous highs. Whenever you see a scenario like this, whenever a market fails to cross the previous highs, it signifies a rise in increase in sellers, number of sellers. So as a result, okay, there is a possibility of market breaking the support and going down as well. And today there is a speech of Jerome Powell, so there will be craziness, pagalpanti. So be careful and use proper risk management as well. As of now, the range for gold is 1918 on the downside and 1928-29 on the outside. Okay, 1920. Let's consider 1929 and 1918. Okay, so as long as market is trading between this range, if you want to trade, you can trade. If market bounces, do not take heavy position, go for a buy. If market breaks it, if the size of the candle is big enough, go for a sell. Similarly, if market reverses from 1929 level, you can take a sell. But yes, observation will be important. Observe the level first, because see, these are minor levels. Okay, so confirmation is extremely important. If market reverses, then only take a sell position. Bye bye. Take care. See ya tomorrow.